Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。什么时候发生什么事情呢？什么时候是我们这个月要教的一句话了哦。This whole month, there is a phrase that we're teaching you, and it's so simple. It's when. 什么时候哦 ？And how do you say that?
几时，
就是几时的意思嘛， 对不对？
什么时候咯
means when, what time even， 就什么时间也是几时咯，对不对？好，这个有时候打电话回家啊，爸爸妈妈想念你啊，就是会问说什么时候回来啊 right? Sometimes when you call back home to your parents, maybe they're in a different hometown, or even maybe they're just down the road. 有时候住隔壁都很少回家的。
那不是我，是你。
还是一样会问这句话，爸妈会说什么时候回来啊，儿子？那样子right? When are you coming back? 你什么时候要回来？
几时要转来？
几时要转来？转来就是转回来这样子吗？
就回来，你什么时候回来
？OK， 转来 that means come back。几时 we just taught you 几时你什么时候要回来嘛？
对。
好了，这样子听到就要赶紧回去了，下礼拜回去哦。How do you say I'll return next week？
下个礼拜秋转去。
下个礼拜秋转去，秋转去对。
下个礼拜秋转去。
下个礼拜秋转去，秋要是
就
要回去转去。刚刚是转来，然后这是转去。OK，When are you coming back? I'm going back 转去 next week。下个礼拜 ，OK。好啦，这个时候爸爸妈妈就要准备好吃的饭啦，就会说好，我再准备好吃的菜给你吃喽。
挨过来准备，好吃的菜本吃
delicious， 好吃的好吃的，对不对？菜本
好吃的菜
就是 delicious food right？ 本吃就是给你吃啦。Okay, when you come back, we'll prepare some great delicious meal for you。很好。
挨过来准备好吃的菜本吃。
好 ，Let's review some of these vocabulary that we just taught you。像回来、回去这两个都教好不好？
好啊，回来转来
，that means come back。回去 go back。
转去
，and finally to prepare 准备。
准备
，and it's all about when 就是几时，是不是？
对，几
时了哈。Now you know, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka。
什么太嘎？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.